In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange photos in a carousel post after publishing. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open Instagram. And go to the carousel post that you want to edit. Tap on the three dots button, and select Edit from the menu. Now, one by one, delete the images which you want to rearrange. Simply tap on Trash button in the top left corner of the image. Apply changes. Now, go to your profile. Tap on the three bars button. And select your activity from the menu. Tap on the Recently Deleted option. Select the deleted post. Tap on the three dots icon, and restore the image. Note that the image you restore first will appear later in the carousel. So, select and restore the posts accordingly. There you have it. Rearranging photos in carousel post after publishing is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.